The Laresar L6 Pro robot vacuum offers a powerful suction power of 3,500 PA, ensuring efficient cleaning of dust and pet hair across different surfaces, be it wood, ceramic floors, or carpets. This robotic vacuum cleaner comes with a 3.5 liters self-emptying and charging station, capable of storing dust for 60 days, thus ensuring a sanitary home environment without frequent cleaning. Equipped with a 300 milliliter dust box and 250 milliliter water tank, the Laresar L6 Pro can sweep, vacuum, and mop simultaneously, providing a comprehensive cleaning solution. The vacuum cleaner can be controlled using voice commands with Alexa and Google Assistant, and also via the Laresmart app, which allows customization of cleaning modes, suction power, water volumes, and cleaning schedules. The advanced LiDAR navigation technology coupled with 23 super sensors ensures precise mapping, environmental detection, and collision avoidance, making it easy to set no-go zones and invisible walls. The LED display allows users to monitor the battery power, cleaning status, and dust accumulation conveniently.